We're pleased to be able to offer this brand new delivery mileage Volkswagen Mk8 Golf R with just only 11 miles. This is officially the lowest mileage car that Automotive Edition has ever offered for sale. This Golf R has never been driven on the road, which makes it a truly brand new example, and it was delivered to us factory fresh by Volkswagen themselves. It's worth mentioning that this car is VAT qualifying, meaning that business or export customers can take advantage of the ability to reclaim the VAT of the price we have listed. As a sought after R model, it comes equipped with the advanced rear axle torque vectoring differential to allow up to 100% of the torque to the rear outside wheels, along with an array of factory features including the advanced driver assistance systems, heat and sound insulated glass and Matrix IQ adaptive headlights with a distinctive LED strip running across the front grille. But this sublime example is finished in a flawless coat of deep pearl black paint, and it also comes with the optional keyless entry and the winter package with heated steering wheel, heated front and rear seats, heated washer jets and 3-zone climate control. Featuring a 320 brake horsepower turbocharged 2-litre engine, mated with an intelligent four-wheel drive system with seamlessly shifting DSG gearbox, the Mk8 Golf R offers supercar rivaling all-season speed in a highly practical hatchback body, making the R the pinnacle of the breed. This intensely capable and highly exclusive hot hatch is in completely new condition and comes with full comprehensive manufacturer's warranty until November 2026. This car will go through our extensive detailing preparation process where our team of highly skilled detailers will meticulously prepare this car to meet our high exacting standards. So if you want to find out more information about this Golf R or any of the other cars that we have for sale, we recommend heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.